Hey guys, welcome to NEET World. In this session we are going to see the questionnaire of NSEJS of previous year questions. Okay, and in previous session we have seen about what is NSEJS, like National Standard Examination in Junior Science. So now we are going ahead of the questionnaire session, right? Let's start with the question. Yes. So today's question is like two blocks A and B of mass 1 kg and 4 kg respectively are moving with equal kinetic energy. Read the following statements S1 and S2. Statement 1, ratio of speed of the block A to the block B is 1:2. Whereas statement 2 is ratio of the magnitude of linear momentum of A to that of B is 1:2. So I need to choose the correct option whether A, B, C or D, like both S1 and S2 are true or both S1 or S2 are false. S1 is true, S1 is false, or S1 is false or S2 is true. So let's check now. So what they have told, equal kinetic energy, right? So block 1 having 1 kg mass and block 2 having 4 kg mass. So equal kinetic energy, I will mark that, equal kinetic energy, and this is having mass 1 kg and this is mass 4 kg. Right now, let me take this moving with velocity VA and this is moving with velocity VB. Okay. So kinetic energy of A should be equals to kinetic energy of B. This is the given thing in the question. So what is the formula? Kinetic energy is nothing but of mv square, right? Of mv square. So 1/2, what is the mass of the block 1? It is 1 kg, 1 into VA the whole square should be equals to 1/2. Mass of block 2 is 4 kg, 4 into VB the whole square. So 1/2 can be get cancelled out. So VA by VB the whole square should be equals to 4/1. So what is the ratio we are getting? VA by VB is nothing but 2/1, no, 2/1, it is nothing but 2:1. So what is the ratio they have given? The ratio of speed of the block A to the B is 1:2. So statement 1 is false. Right now statement 1 is false. It's not audible. Okay. So statement 1 is false. Now what about statement 2? Ratio of the magnitude of linear momentum. So linear momentum in the sense mass into velocity, right? So velocity we got, we will keep as it is. What is the momentum formula? Momentum P is equals to mass into velocity. So momentum of A should be equals to mass of A into velocity of A. Momentum of B should be equals to mass of B into velocity of B, right? Now I need to take the ratio of both of them. So PA by PB is equals to MAVA by MBVB, right now. So what is mass of the block 1? 1 kg. So what is the velocity here? 2 divide by, and what is the mass of the block 2? It is 4 kg. And what is the velocity here? 1. So 1 times and this is 2 times. So answer will be 1/2. So now what is the ratio we got? It is 1:2, right? Now see the ratios. The ratio of magnitude of linear momentum of A to that of B is 1:2. Yes, we got 1:2. So statement 2 is true. So when we see the options, both S1 and S2 are true. So option 1 is wrong. Both S1 and S2 are false. No, only S1 is false. No, S2 is true. So S1 is true, S2 is false. So option 3 also wrong, and when we see option 4, S1 is false, S2 is true. So this is the correct answer. It's clear, right? So what is the concept we are using here? Kinetic energy and the momentum, right? So kinetic energy formula, it is half mv square, and the momentum, it is m into v, mass into velocity, and here mass into velocity square. Okay, let's go for the second question. Okay. The mass of straight copper wire is 20.95 gram and its electrical resistance is 0.065 ohms. If the density and resistivity of the copper are D is equals to 8900 kg per meter cube and rho is equals to 1.7 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter respectively, the length of the copper wire is. Okay, first I will write what is the given terms in the question. Okay, I will zoom it out a little bit. Okay, I will take a pen. Yeah, fine. So copper wire of a mass m is equals to 20.95 gram. Convert it into kg. Convert to kg in the sense 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So 1 gram is equals to 10 power minus 3 kg na. Yes, no. So 20.95 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Okay, keep as it is. Now what is given? Electrical resistance has been given. So R has been given. R is equals to 0.065 ohm. Density is given. No, density and the resistivity is given. Density is equals to, yeah, density is equals to 8900 kg per meter cube and resistivity is this kg per meter cube and resistivity is 1.7 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Okay, so these are the given terms. So what I can use to find the length, how I can find? The thing is, mass is there and density is there. So I can use density equals to mass by volume right now, and one more thing we can write now, volume can be written as A into L. I will keep now. Area into length na, volume can be written as area into length. Okay. So what is volume here? Volume is equals to mass 20.95 into 10 power minus 3 divided by how much? Density 8900 na, 8900. Now keep this volume as it is. Now resistance and resistivity has been given. So from this I can find, no, I know the formula for the resistance. R is equals to rho L by A, rho L by A, where A is nothing but rho L by R, rho L by R. Now take this and substitute here. So what is V is equals to, what is A? Rho L by R into L. Into L is there, no? So it is rho L square by R. So we know V, we know rho, we know R. So from this I can find what is L na. So L square should be equals to V into R divided by rho. So where L will be equals to under root of VR by rho. So this is the formula to find the length of the given question. Now substitute the values. So whatever value is given there, I can substitute there. L is equals to, what is V? 20.95 into 10 power minus 3 by 8900. So under root of 20.95 into 10 power minus 3 by 8900 into, what is R here? R is given as 0.065. 0.065 ohm divided by, what is the resistivity? 1.7 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter, no? So 1.7 into 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8. So when I calculate this, I will get the length of the given question. So can you give the answer for this question? We will see. Excuse me. So what's the answer for this question? Final answer. I need to find this one. The length I need to get. L is equals to. Give. So whoever watching online, you can give answer in the comment box. We'll check it. Check the answer. Yes. So the answer is approximately 3 meter. Option A is the answer. Approximately 3 meter. Fine. So nothing to worry. Whenever a question is given, write the given terms first. And what are the given terms I can like by the given terms, what is the formula I can use, and with that formula how can I get the unknown terms. That's the main motive of the given question. Okay. No need to panic by see the question. Yeah, can we go for the next question? Okay, so the next question is, it is known that the speed of sound in a gas is directly proportional to square root of its absolute temperature T measured in Kelvin, that is V is directly proportional to root T. Speed of sound in air is 0 degree Celsius in 332 meter per second. On a hot day, the speed of a sound was measured as 360 meter per second in NCR, Delhi. The temperature of air in Delhi on that very day, very hot day must have been close to. So I need to find the temperature when the speed of a sound is 360 meter per second. Okay. Yeah. Here they have given 332 meter per second when the temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Right? No. When the temperature increases or decreases, whatever it can be. So the velocity or speed has been changed here. So I need to find the temperature. What's the temperature I need to find here? Right now? Yeah, they have given that V is directly proportional to root T. By this, I can use, by using this equation, I can find that. Nah? So, first I will convert this degree Celsius to Kelvin. So, at 332 meter per second, temperature will be in Kelvin. K is equals to 0 degree Celsius plus 273, which is nothing but 273 Kelvin. Right? No? Now, at 360 meter per second, what is the temperature? Right now, what is the temperature? So, this is T1 and this is T2, this is V1 and this is V2. So, V is directly proportional to root T. So, V1 by V2 should be equals to root over T1 by T2, T1 by T2, where V1 by V2 the whole square should be equals to T1 by T2, T1 by T2, right? Yes. Now I can find now T1, T2, V1, V2. So I can ulta this na. I mean I can rearrange this. T2 by T1 is equals to V2 by V1 the whole square. So I need to find T2, that's it. So T2 should be equals to, what is this, 360 divided by 332 the whole square into 273 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. So I can get the answer for the given question, and after getting this convert that into degree Celsius again. But why no, like every option given in degree Celsius. Okay, so can you give answer for this question? T2. The final answer first we'll see. Okay, yes, this is T2 will be equals to 321 Kelvin. In Kelvin 321. What about in degree Celsius? Yeah, approximately we'll get 321. Okay, so in degree Celsius, yes, it is 48 degree Celsius. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Can we go for the next question? Two planets P1 and P2 are moving around the Sun in circular orbits of radius 10 power 13 meter and 10 power 12 meter respectively. The ratio of the orbital speed of a planet P1 and P2 in their respective orbit is. Okay. Here I need to get the velocity, right? Yes, no? I need to get the velocity. So what is the formula here? Orbital velocity. Where is the pen? Yes. So formula is V is equals to under root of Gm by R. This is the formula. So what else given here? Radius is given. Radius is given for the two planets. So speed of the two planets they are asking. That's it, no? So I can write Vp1 by Vp2 should be equals to under root of R2 by R1, because V is inversely proportional to root R. Inversely proportional to root R. That's why I have taken R2 upside and R1 downside. Okay. Now, what is the radius they have given? 10 power 2 for the second one and 10 power 13, 10 power 12 and 10 power 13 for the first one. So this is cancelled and it will be 1 by root 10. So answer will be 1 by root 10, no? Option D is the answer for the given question. We'll go for the next question. Yes. The order of magnitude of the pressure in Pascal exerted by an adult human on the earth when he stands barefoot on the earth on both of his legs. So they are asking about what is the magnitude, order of the magnitude. So not exact value they are asking, only the order they are asking. So consider whatever kg you want, okay, whatever mass you want you can consider. So suppose I am considering mass of the adult as 70, okay, mass of the adult as 70 kg, okay, 70, which means the weight of the person will be m into g, right? So 70, like approximately I am taking everything, okay, so 70 into 10, which is nothing but 700 Newton. This is the weight of the given person. What is they are asking? Pressure, right? Pressure is nothing but force by area. So force, that is weight. So W by A. How much it is? 700. Okay, what about area? Area of the barefoot. So area will be obviously centimeter square or meter square, whatever it can be. Yes, no? Centimeter square or meter square. So I'll consider something around 200 centimeter square area. Area is equals to 200 centimeter square. Okay. So it can be written as 200 into 10 power minus 4, no, 10 power minus 4 meter. 10 power minus 4 meter. Okay, na? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So centimeter can be written as 10 power minus 2 meter. So it is square 10 power minus 4. Right, no? Now, no need to worry. You can consider it is 1 also. Okay, 1 centimeter also. So area centimeter into 1 into 1. So 1 and centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So I am converting into meter, 10 power minus 4. I am not worrying about these values. I am not worrying about these numbers. I am worrying about the magnitude of, magnitude powers. That's it. So I'll write this as it is. So I'll take 200 into 10 power minus 4. So this 0 will get cancelled off. So 10 power 4 will be the magnitude. Option B. You can consider any number you can consider, okay, but the magnitude of the power they are asking, that's it. Okay, so with this we'll stop the session and we'll continue with the next part of the question in the next upcoming sessions, guys. So thank you all. We'll meet in the next session. We'll meet in the next class, guys. Bye bye.